I'm Tanner Faust, and I can't stop pushing the limit. I'm a 2-time drift champion, a 3-time rallycross champion, and I live right next to a very warm beach. So what am I doing here? The story begins with a call from Porsche saying, "Hey Tanner, why don't you come up to Finland to the Porsche Ice Experience Center and take your clothes off?" But you know what? It's cold up here. They asked me how I would spend a day in the Porsche GT4 Clubsport. And this time, it's not in the desert, it's in the ice and snow. My perfect day starts with a good old-fashioned newspaper. But I guess that's not exciting enough for Porsche. They want me to read an article while driving around a performance ice track and then answer 3 questions about the article while still driving.
The weather was perfect for us. We went in with our full 10s. Should have been 0-0 at halftime. I should have scored early. This is crazy. Okay, that's the end of the article. It was 0-0. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! The ankle. In the end, I had a wrestling match. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
If you call that go.
Next up, morning workout. Just parking a car is tricky, but it's even harder when your teammates don't leave you enough space. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's been an amazing day in Finland. I think I'm finally ready for bed, which means lights out. But you know, there's only one thing better than a perfect day, and that's 2 perfect days. Let's do it again!